When an AI agent is pushed into a live environment, the result is often a chaotic loop of errors and gridlock. But modern foundation models are highly capable. When they fail in the real world, it's rarely because they lack the necessary reasoning power. The breakdown happens because the agent lacks the exact piece of information it needs, precisely when it needs it. It starves for context. The industry often uses prompt engineering as a catch-all phrase for fixing this problem, but that is a misdiagnosis. Tweaking a static text string is a brittle approach that falls apart quickly in dynamic software architectures. A single hard-coded paragraph guarantees your production system will break the moment it encounters the unexpected. In 1845, Karl Marx observed that an individual's essence is defined by their interactions and environment. That principle applies directly to machines. The practice of organizing a computer's situational awareness actually traces back over 20 years, long before language models, to early human-computer interaction frameworks. This discipline focuses on a core technical hurdle, removing the high entropy inherent in human communication. Building reliable agents requires stepping away from current hype and applying a rigorous approach to manage an AI's data lifecycle. When two people talk, they effortlessly fill in the blanks using shared knowledge, reading emotional cues, and situational awareness. Silicon-based intelligence currently possesses absolutely zero innate capacity to do this. A machine interprets exactly what is provided and nothing more. Look at this chart plotting cognitive ability over time. Carbon-based intelligence shows a slow, steady growth curve, while silicon-based intelligence spikes rapidly, but remains strictly literal. This widening void between human inference and machine literalism is the entropy gap. The job of an AI engineer is to aggressively compress messy, high-entropy human intentions into a structured, low-entropy format the machine executes. Closing that gap is the non-negotiable prerequisite for any reliable human-machine system. You cannot simply dump every possible piece of context into a single prompt. Doing so immediately overloads the model's memory limits, increasing errors and costs. The solution is to divide the agent's memory into isolated, manageable data streams. To do this effectively, context must be organized into 3 distinct layers before reaching the agent. First, runtime context handles static configuration like API keys. Second, state is short-term memory, tracking the active conversation. Finally, store is long-term memory, persisting historical insights. This architecture clearly separates transient context, data used once per call, from persistent context, which is saved across multiple turns. Keeping these 3 data sources cleanly separated allows for precise, surgical data retrieval without overwhelming the system. A standard agent operates in a continuous loop, ping-ponging back and forth between calling the model and executing tools. But that repetitive cycle quickly falls apart and crashes without a dedicated traffic controller actively managing the immense flow of data. That controller is middleware, a dynamic filter positioned directly between the model and the tools. Middleware executes transient modifications on the fly. For instance, it can pull a user's writing style from the store and temporarily inject it into a single prompt. It also controls tool access, filtering out administrative actions based on runtime permissions before the model sees them. And it handles persistent modifications, intercepting Mong history to permanently write a token-saving summary back to the state. Middleware transforms static data into a beautifully engineered pipeline, actively adapting the agent's contextual awareness at every single step of its execution. During the 1990s, which we call Era 1.0, computers were passive executors of structured, low-entropy commands. We have since moved into Era 2.0, where agents take initiative and handle natural language, but still struggle with the ambiguity of the human world. This cycle shows every time a technological breakthrough increases a machine's ability to assimilate context, our interfaces must change. Reaching Era 2.0 requires a shift in engineering, moving from static instructions to systems that manage the environment around them. The modern AI engineer prioritizes architecting the middleware that routes state, store, and runtime data into the agent loop. We are moving toward Era 3.0, where agents will evolve into highly autonomous, reliable collaborators. In that future, machines will natively handle much of this context assimilation on their own, finally becoming active partners rather than just tools. But until we reach that level of autonomous intelligence, developers are responsible for actively building these cognitive bridges themselves. Proper architecture ensures the agent's execution is smooth and perfectly interlocking. Mastering context engineering is the only proven way to cross the entropy gap and build AI systems that actually work in the real world.